Staying alive here.
Kubik to pass. She gets it back. Popped up in the air. It's down. A kill. John Cook has 800. A record of 800 and 166 in 30 years as a head coach. 23 seasons at Nebraska, 639 and 93. He's the 19th Division I coach and the 6th active coach to reach 800 career victories. And fitting that it's the sweep, Nebraska's 8th this season.
And it comes off a swing from Maddie Kubik, who has been here now so long for the Huskers, been a part of so many of those 800 wins for John Cook. And now as we see the whole Huskers team surround their head coach and Trev Alberts as well, the athletic director, here to celebrate.
And we'll see how many of these fans stop on their way out to turn their attention to center court. And there's a big embrace. What a moment there at center court. The team surrounds John Cook. A massive milestone for a living Husker legend. Nebraska sweeps Michigan State, and, you know, really, Jake, Nebraska dominant from the first round.
Yeah, you sweep a team like Michigan State, who come into this match 9-2. Regardless of schedule, that is an impressive start to your season.